Hello everyone, I'm going to do a review about this diorama city campsite. It's from the brand BM Creations. Did a couple of reviews about their products and they're actually pretty good, I have to say. We got two versions. We got an orange version and we got a green version. I'm going to unbox the orange version. Let's have a look at the package first. It's a 1/64 scale. Yeah, here it is, 1/64 scale. This is the side. And here we got the back. We can see BMC is active on social media. Here we can see some photos of the products and all the pieces that are inside. Barcode and article number for the ones who are interested. Some text, freeze the frame if you want to read it. I think it's a downside that the base plate from both dioramas are the same. It would be better if the water was on the other side, because you can connect these two pieces. But now it looks a little bit weird. Anyways, let's unbox this diorama campsite. I placed the order, or I bought this diorama at Tom's modelauto's biggest diecast car store in the world. Did a lot of videos over there. You can check them out on my YouTube channel. We'll leave a link to the website in the description of the video down below. Ooh, we got a cool background. Okay, this is what you need to connect it with another diorama from BM Creation. Wow, very handy. I like that. And for the night, thank you very much, BM Creations. Basically, the diorama comes ready out of the box. Everything, all the accessories are in the right position. Very well packed. Let's see. I'm going to take everything out. And it's always handy to have some accessories, because you can also use them in another diorama. So yeah, here it is, name of the brand. Made out of plastic. Not bad at all, I have to say. You can place this for the night version. You can create a nice scene. Better to take it outside. Make a picture there. Okay, let's place figures right here. So I'm going to place camera a little bit down. Okay, so we place the table right here and a box with some snacks. Tent right here, a seat next to it. Not sure what he is doing. What is he doing? Holding a coffee cup, or what is this? I have no idea. Okay, these figures are on the chair. You can't take them off. I have seen better figures, but it looks okay. Okay, this dude we can put in front of the tent. Place this right here next to it. Yeah. And then we have, yeah. Can place it somewhere here. Okay. She can put right here. Will there fit a 164 car on the base plate? Yes. That is possible. A little bit bigger. Yep, also possible. And this one. Okay, now I have another diorama right here. So let's see if it's possible. Yes, that is possible. And then you get something like this. But next time, BM Creation, make sure that the other color of the base plate is in a other position. The water should be here. Then you can make a nice big campsite. Yeah, this is the rally diorama. Also comes with 2 backgrounds. Okay, not bad at all, I have to say. Yeah, there are a lot better dioramas available, but most of them are handmade. For ready out of the box, this is okay. Okay, thanks for watching. Don't forget to smash the like button. You really help me with that. See you soon. Bye.